Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza your food lab. First, combine 300 grams of all-purpose flour with 200 milliliters of warm water. Stir in 5 grams of active dry yeast and 5 grams of salt. Knead the mixture for 8 to 10 minutes until it forms a smooth, elastic dough. Then, place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for 60 to 90 minutes, or until it has doubled in size. This initial step is crucial for a great crust. Next, let's prepare your toppings and sauce. For the sauce, use crushed tomatoes seasoned with a pinch of salt, pepper, and Italian herbs. Grate about 150 grams of fresh mozzarella cheese. It melts beautifully. Now, select your favorite toppings, perhaps some sliced pepperoni, fresh mushrooms, or colorful bell peppers. While you're doing this, preheat your oven to 220 degrees Celsius or 425 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure a perfectly crispy crust. This preparation makes assembly quick and easy. Now it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Gently stretch your risen dough into a 12-inch circle on a lightly floured surface or pizza peel. Spread a thin, even layer of your prepared tomato sauce over the dough, leaving a small border for the crust. Next, generously sprinkle the grated mozzarella cheese, followed by your chosen toppings. Carefully transfer the pizza to your preheated oven and bake for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly and melted. Watch it closely. Once your pizza is perfectly baked, carefully remove it from the oven. Let it rest for just a minute or two. This helps the cheese set and prevents burns. For an extra touch of flavor, you can garnish it with fresh basil leaves or a light drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Finally, slice your pizza into 6 to 8 equal pieces using a sharp pizza cutter. Now, gather your friends and family and enjoy your delicious homemade pizza. It's a truly rewarding culinary experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.